4, 3, 2, 1, go. 80, care crest, turn square left don't cut. 200 through dip. Turn hairpin right don't cut. 350 over small crests. Caution, turn left 2 over crest, don't cut. Into turn square left. 400. Keep right. And left 6 long through dip. Caution right 5 long. Immediate turn square left, don't cut. And turn square left, don't cut. 80. Past junction. 300. Care, keep left over small crest. Turn left 4 and turn acute right, don't cut. Turn square left, don't cut. Into turn hairpin right, don't cut. Into turn square right, tightens. Into square left. Into turn left 5, opens, 100. Through dip. Past junction, 100. Caution, keep right over crest. Immediate turn square left. Into turn square left. 100 crest. Turn hairpin right, don't cut. 100. Turn hairpin left up. 80. Crest past junction, 100. Past junctions. Care jump maybe. Left 6. And right 5 through dip. Keep left over small crest, 80. Turn right 4. And turn left 4, don't cut, 80. Double caution right 5, immediate turn left 3 over bump deceptive. And turn open hairpin left, don't cut. 200. Crest 80, caution turn right 4, immediate turn acute right, don't cut. 100. Keep left over crest, 100. Past junction through dip, 100. Keep left over crest, into turn hairpin right, don't cut. 80. Right 5, immediate turn hairpin left, don't cut, 80. Crest. Right 5 continues for 100. And left 5 long, into turn square left, don't cut. Down. 200 through dip. Double caution turn right 5 over crest through gate, 80. Caution right 4 over junction. Braking turn square right. Square left 200. Past junctions. Turn square left, don't cut, past junction. 80. Caution turn open hairpin left. Don't cut, ditch outside. 100 up. Past junction. And caution turn square right, don't cut, gate on exit. right 6 continues for 100. Caution, keep left into turn square right, don't cut, ditch inside 100. Through dip past junction. Caution, braking through dip, turn square right, narrows, 80. Caution, right 6 continues over crest. Braking through bump, turn open hairpin left, don't cut, 80. Care, turn square right, open, stitch outside. 200, through dip. And crest, turn hairpin right, don't cut. Into left 5 long, don't cut. Turn left 1, don't cut. 80. Left 5 long. Right 6 long, don't cut, ditch inside, 80 past junction. Keep left into turn right 3, don't cut, 80. Turn square right tight, don't cut. Into left 5 opens 100. Past junction 100. Through dip. Caution, turn square left, don't cut. Keep left over crest. Immediate turn hairpin right, don't cut 100. Care, turn left 5, don't cut, be brave. Into right 6. And caution, turn right 1, don't cut. Left 4. Into turn hairpin left, don't cut. 60. Crest. Into turn square right, don't cut. And keep left over crest. Turn square left, don't cut. 100. To finish.